Hey YouTube, it's Mike once again. I just want to share with you real quick. I'm a little excited because that stuff I ordered to drill and tap the bases down on my future customs has came in today. And the button head screws and stuff like that. So I tested it out. Yep. I did a simple wheel swap and some details on this. That's the original, obviously. And I did this one. Sealed it back up and everything. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks awesome because of the tempos, the white in the tempos, white rims. And yes, these are Matchbox premium wheels. Isn't that cool? The detailing, the headlights. And I don't know if you can see the tail lights. Oh, really nice. And there are the screws. I'm very happy on how it come out. First shot, nailed it. Very, very happy. I nailed it. Or screwed it. Thank God I didn't screw it up. Anyways, but check that out. I'm pretty excited, man. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Alright, that's just a quick video, guys. Just a simple wheel swap and details on this Chevy Silverado. Very, very cool. I like it a lot. All buttoned up. These wheels fit perfect on here, too. Pretty nice. Alright, guys. That's going to do it for this quick video. And hope you guys enjoyed. Take care, and God bless.